Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm gonna make a video. I'm trying to show how to park from the right. I have a video that shows it, but now I have better equipment, better camera, and I'm going to try to do a better video than the one that I have on YouTube right now about right turn parking. So I'm gonna try to do it a couple of times just to give you an idea. But before I get into the whole parking routine, I would like you to please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Check out my Instagram page actually at ACC Driving School on Instagram. Right? Share the video, like the video, hit that notification bell, and let me get right into this video. So I'm going to reverse from where I am right now, and I'm going to park on the right coming up. So you're going to back all the way out, back out till the mirror gets to the end of the line. You're going to turn and going to make a park on the right side. Alright, so you're driving down and you're trying to park into, say, I'm going to go into the space with that pole, right? So you want to be a little bit out into the middle of the space like this. And you're going to stop right when your mirror gets, before it gets to the line. When you're parking on the left, you want to line it up completely with the line, right? When you're parking on the right, you want to go slightly out from the center. And before your mirror gets to the actual line, you're going to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. All the way right. And you're just going to hold the steering wheel in place until it goes all the way full circle. And then you straighten it up. And pull straight in. You understand? And really, that is all that there is to the parking on the right. It is different. It is different than parking on the left, but it is not that difficult. Alright, so I'm going to do it again. Reversing out of the space. And I'm going to turn all the way to the right here. I'm going to find another place to park, but this time I'm going to do it in between some cars so you can get a better view of what it looks like when you're parking actually between two cars. So I'm gonna park in between this van here and the car. So again, you're gonna go slightly to the left like that, turn all the way to the right, and you basically just let the car roll until it gets all the way over where it's centered. Straighten the wheel and pull straight in. You understand? So parking from the right, again, it's different, but it's not that different. I mean, you really are doing some of the same things that you would do parking from the left. It's just, you know, when you're parking from the left, you would straighten up the wheel as soon as you get into the space and pull in. When you're parking from the right, you actually have to go all the way around, you know, because you have less room to do it. So you're going from the center of the lane here, you're going to turn all the way to the right. And again, you're going to just go around, all the way around, until the car gets into the middle of the space. Straighten the wheel and pull straight in. So it's you know, it's not really that much different than parking from the left. Again, I'm gonna do it just to show you that it's not much different than parking from the left at all. Actually, the main difference is you're gonna, instead of on the left, when you're parking from the left, you're gonna pull all the way to the left side, to the right side, sorry, and turn into the space. When you're parking on the right side, because you're on the right side already, you're gonna go slightly off center. You know what I mean? You're gonna go off like a little bit over on the other side and turn all the way to the right and roll in and straighten up and pull straight in. And again, it works every time. So unlike parking from the left, you go straight to as close to the right side as possible, turn all the way left, go all the way around until you get to the center, straighten up and pull in. Parking from the right, you're gonna go, because you're already in the right lane, you can't go all the way over to the left lane, so you go a little bit off the center of the lane. You know, you go a little bit on the other side, turn all the way to the right, and you let the car roll all the way around until it gets to the center, and straighten the wheel and pull in. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate that one more time. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to do the space right there with the big tree. With that tree. So again, a little bit off of the center of the lane. Right before you get to the line, you turn all the way to the right. And you let the car go all the way around until it gets to the center. And straighten the wheel and pull straight in. Yeah, it works. It works every time really, but it does take some more practice because you are already on the right side, so you have a little bit less room to work with than if you're, you know, if you're on the right side parking on the left, it's a lot more room to go into the space than if you're on the right side parking on the right. So you definitely have to go out a little bit, turn all the way right, and then roll into the space. I hope I have been helpful on that video because, again, parking on the right, I got several requests to do another parking on the right video. So hopefully this video will be helpful to you. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video.